Today, I will teach you how to install the spring system of bamboo Roman blinds. First, we need to weigh the bamboo and the bottom wood. The blind weighs 1,260 grams, and the bottom rail weighs about 300 grams. So we can choose the model through the configuration table. For this blind, we should choose L40.11 to 40-2. Second, prepare the required accessories. Then fix the pre-wound spring box on the blind rod. And then wind the cord in the cord base. Fix the cord base on both sides of the blind respectively. Third, pass the line through the bamboo Roman blind and wrap it around the line buckle for 3 turns after passing through. Finally, pull out the pin, and our Roman blind is installed.